Hey guys, Andy here, and today I'm going to teach you how to crop video and images in Adobe Premiere Pro. So what we have here on the timeline is just a quick little clip as well as a transparent image, which we'll get into here in a bit. So first thing you want to do is select your clip, which is already selected, go over to your effects window, go to video effects, go down to your transform folder, and then go to crop. Alternatively, you can just search for crop here in the search window, but we'll just do it this way. So we'll drag it on over to the clip. And from here, you can crop out whatever side you want, as much as you want, but it does leave this black bar here. So what you can also do, if you don't want the black bars, you can have it zoom in. Say for instance, you just wanted to focus, in this case, on her face. So we'll go ahead and just crop to about her wrist here. We'll click zoom and it'll stretch out the image. Now, obviously, this image is a little too extra stretched, but you guys get the idea. And then to reset this crop, you just hit the little reset effect here. Boom. And so if you wanted to do this to images, basically the same thing. So we'll go ahead and scale this image up here real quick so you guys can better see it. And then we'll just drag crop onto there. And you can do the same exact thing. And it's just that easy. So yeah, that's how you can crop video and images in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you like this tutorial, be sure to give a like and subscribe for more tutorials. And if you have a question about Adobe Premiere Pro, be sure to leave it in the comments down below, and your question could be the next tutorial. This is the Andy San, signing out for now, and as always, we'll see you next time. Bye guys.